going to do the last two formulas for loss and indices, rule 7 and 8. Okay, so rule 7 goes like that. Okay, look carefully. It goes like that. If I have x to the power of minus a, example, okay, what will happen? This one will become 1 over x a. Can okay? Okay, what happens is this. Normally numbers, all numbers has a denominator, agree? Although we don't write denominator, it's like someone asks you, what's your age? Your age is 15. But I can also write 15 over 1 is perfectly fine.
150 over 10.
You can write 150 over 10 also can, but then people try to be funny already, okay? Okay, don't write inside age. So what I'm trying to say is that there's actually a denominator. Okay, so what it does is, when there's a negative power, this thing will actually come down. Okay, first this thing comes down, and you cannot leave a 0 down here, right? Because 0 divided by anything is 0. So you must put a 1 here. Okay, so this is the fifth rule. Now I'll just show you a few variations of this. Okay, so if this was a denominator, so if this was a denominator, what do you think will happen? Alan?
Bring x negative a up.
So this one will go up. See? So then it will be xa over 1. But we don't have to write 1, right? So it's just like that. Okay? Show you another variation of this. So let's say if I got something like that. X minus a over y minus b. It's like what? Or we do 1 by 1 first. Okay? Y. Okay? So this one, this thing will come down. But the y cannot go up, no? Because there's no minus. Okay? There's no negative sign. So what happens is 1 x a y. Okay, this is power 1. Okay? Okay, one more variation come. So what happens is both of them are this. Minus a and y, let's say minus b. So they swap. This one goes down, this one goes up. And y b over x a. Okay? So what does this minus power do? It gives the number, sort of like it gives the number permission to go down. And if down, permission to go up. Okay. Good. Are you okay? Okay, last rule. Okay, I'll elaborate more further. Okay. Now I'm going to write this one, rule number 8. Okay, rule number 8 is when the indices has a power. Okay. So see, x, let's say, not power, it's a fraction. Okay. So 1 over 8. So let's say it's a fraction here. This one becomes like this. A x to the power 1. Okay, a variation to this, okay, something very similar to this will be, okay, sometimes students will learn this also. Let's say it's b over a, then this one will be a x, and then what I put here? B, very good. So this side works. Okay now? Okay. Okay, then for this case, okay, okay, so I give you some examples. So this one I can put numbers inside. Okay, for instance, 5, no, let's not use 5. Let's use 4 power half. Okay, what happens? Now, where does the 1 go and where does the 2 go, Falcon? What goes down here? Wait a minute, Alan first. 2. Here? 1. Finally, answer 2 lah. Okay, next one. 27, 1/3. Caleb, what shall I do with this? Where does the 1 go? Where does the 3 go? What number is here?
1.
1, very good. Here is
3.
What's my final answer?
9.
3.
3, Okay, not 9, Okay, okay, last one. Yeah, 4, 4. Now it's 3 over 2. See, Okay, now, welcome, which goes where?
The 3 goes that side.
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
The 2
2
goes out.
Okay. Shall I cube the 4 or square the 4 first? Square root the 4 first.
Cube.
Okay. you can do either way, but normally we try to make the number smaller, as small as possible first. So we try to square the 4 first. Okay, we try not to deal with so big numbers.
2.
So 4 squared, 2 cubed will be
8.
8, not 6. Okay, someone just wrote 6 just now. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 is not 6. Okay, let's show one more. Okay, let's try. Alright, let's try 25. No, I think the number is too big. Hold on. Okay, let's try 16, 3 to the power of 4. Okay, so here we go. 16, number here will be
4.
4. You realize the denominator will always be here, and the numerator is here. Okay, so 16, 4, you can do either way, you know. I can cube this first, or I root 4 this first. But normally you try to root 4, make the number smaller. Now, no one said you cannot use calculator. You can just use calculator to press on this, okay? Yeah? Press calculator, right? Okay? But of course, you have to show, you don't show the final answer, you show it by bit, as though you're doing the working. Right? So I put this to cube, and then 8. So that's how this thing works. Okay? We'll do more later on, we'll elaborate more later.